Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I promised you guys that I'm going to provide you a settings to this indicator. Yes, this is the settings to this indicator. In my indicator list, I have my beginner, which is my MFD. I have the settings of input of 0. I have the percentage distance to be 10, and I have the period to be 90, which is that. And also in my day trader time works, I have the number of days to be 5. That is the only thing you have to do. That is the only thing. Then on my indicator, on my buying and sell indicator, I have my period to be 30, and my period here ATR to be 60%. And also under my reverse, I have the period, I have the RSZZ to be in 60 minutes. So kindly subscribe to this channel and like and comment on this video, and you can also join my telegram group for free signal. I told you guys that this indicator will be dropped on my telegram group for free. Some people are selling this, but I'm going to drop it for free. Thanks.